Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's topic, it's all about this off-shoulder flounce. Ang unang step natin is to measure the SF seam to SB seam. Better kung nakasuot mismo ito sa client, no? Para makita mo mismo yung position ng ating flounce. For the elastic, I'm using 1/8 of an inch. This is my formula, my own formula to get the length of the elastic. It's up to you. You can go lower than 4 inches if you want the elastic more tight. The next thing to do is to mark the mid part of the flounce and the elastic as well. So I'm using an air erasable pen to mark the mid part of the elastic and flounce. After natin mark, i-match lang natin yung mga mid part na yan ng elastic and the flounce and pin in place, then sew it down together. So a few back stitch lang para ma-secure lang natin yung center part, and that's it. Next is to pull the tip of the elastic up to the SB or SF seam mark. Then keep pulling the elastic while you sew along the edge of the flounce. And this is our before and after look. So mabilis lang siya. Do the same procedure on the other side if both side mayroong flounce. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new from this quick tutorial about flounce or elastic flounce. And please subscribe, like, and share this video with all of your friends, and I'll see you next time.